Oats are a type of cereal grain that is commonly consumed as a staple food in many parts of the world. They are highly nutritious and offer a range of health benefits that make them a popular choice for a healthy diet. Oats are a rich source of complex carbohydrates, fiber, protein, and various vitamins and minerals, including iron, magnesium, and B vitamins. If you're making an effort to eat a healthy breakfast every morning, then it's time to give those processed snacks a break and consider another breakfast option that you can't go wrong with: oatmeal. Once you make the shift to this healthy food option, you'll start feeling good about your body, as oatmeal positively impacts many bodily functions. In today's video, we'll discuss what happens to your body when you regularly consume oats, including the type of oats to eat, their potential impact on weight loss, and their numerous health benefits. Let's begin by discussing how this whole grain can help keep you regular. Oats are pretty awesome for your digestion because they're whole grains, meaning they're not processed. Oats have a great deal of fiber, and when it comes to your digestion, fiber is your friend. 4 grams of fiber are present in 1 cup of oats. Your digestive system needs fiber to keep things moving, and oats contain a particular kind of fiber known as beta-glucan. This stuff helps to bulk up your stool and keep it moving through your intestines, preventing constipation and ensuring you have regular bowel movements. Constipation is a prevalent issue, with nearly 16 out of 100 adults dealing with it. In one study, 30 individuals who regularly ate a soup or dessert containing oat bran for 12 weeks reported feeling better. Almost 60% of those individuals were successful in quitting the use of laxatives after 3 months, suggesting that oats could be an effective natural remedy for constipation. But the benefits of oats don't stop there. Oats can also help prevent colon cancer and celiac disease. Beta-glucan improves the balance of good bacteria in your gut, which is essential for your overall digestive health. Some studies have even shown that the beta-glucan from oats can help reduce your risk of developing digestive disorders like inflammatory bowel disease, colon cancer, and celiac disease. All it takes is a bowl of oatmeal in the morning, or even a sprinkle of oats on your yogurt, to start getting those benefits. Oats can also help reduce the risk of asthma. They're packed with antioxidants that defend your body's cells from free radicals. When it comes to asthma, free radicals can cause inflammation in the airways, making it harder to breathe. But the antioxidants in oats can help reduce that inflammation and make breathing easier, especially for childhood asthma. The soluble fiber, beta-glucan, has been documented to assist in lowering airway inflammation. So by eating oats, you're getting a double dose of inflammation-fighting power. Moreover, oats are also a good source of magnesium, which is essential for maintaining healthy airways and lungs. Research suggests that people with asthma may have lower magnesium levels in their blood. So by consuming more magnesium through foods like oats, you can help support healthy airways and lungs. Moving along, oats are a tasty and healthy way to help reduce bad cholesterol. If you want to reduce your harmful cholesterol levels, oats are a great place to start. Beta-glucan has been shown to help lower bad cholesterol levels in the blood. When you ingest beta-glucan, it transforms into a gel-like material in the intestines that traps bile acids used by the body to digest fat. The body has to use cholesterol from the blood to break down the gel and release the bile acids, reducing the amount of cholesterol in the blood and lowering harmful cholesterol levels. Balanced cholesterol levels help to maintain heart health, and elevated cholesterol is a risk factor for heart attacks and strokes. Oats contain a specific type of antioxidant called avenanthramides, which has anti-inflammatory properties and may help protect against heart disease and strokes. Oats are a versatile and beneficial superfood that can provide a variety of health benefits. They are particularly useful for promoting restful sleep, encouraging hair growth and thickness, aiding in weight loss, regulating blood glucose levels, and maintaining healthy, youthful-looking skin. One of the ways oats can help with sleep is by regulating blood sugar levels through complex carbs. Eating oats before bed can also give the body an extra dose of melatonin, a hormone that regulates the sleep and wake cycle, and may help relieve insomnia. Oats contain essential nutrients, such as iron, zinc, and selenium, which are necessary for promoting healthy hair growth. Oats also contain beneficial lipids that help keep hair hydrated, guard against breakage and dryness, and fiber that supports healthy digestion, ensuring that the body can absorb all the nutrients necessary for healthy, luscious hair. When it comes to weight loss, oats are an excellent food choice. They are low in calories, rich in fiber, and slow digesting carbs, which help stabilize blood sugar levels. This can help prevent snacking on unhealthy foods between meals, making it easier to stick to weight loss goals. Oats can be incorporated into various meals, such as overnight oats, smoothies, and homemade energy bars, making them a versatile addition to a healthy diet. The high fiber content in oats can help slow down carb digestion and sugar absorption in the bloodstream, which is particularly beneficial for people with diabetes. Beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber found in oats, has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and help regulate blood sugar levels. Finally, oats can help promote healthy, youthful-looking skin. The antioxidants found in oats, particularly avenanthramides, can help scavenge free radicals and defend the skin from damage. The low glycemic index of oats does not allow the release of insulin like growth factor 1, which can contribute to skin conditions like acne. Beta-glucan can also support skin health by lowering inflammation. One of the benefits of oats is their ability to support the immune system. This is because they contain various vitamins and minerals that are important for immune system function. For example, zinc is a mineral that plays a key role in immune system function, while selenium is an antioxidant that can help to protect cells from damage. Vitamin E is another antioxidant that can help to support a healthy immune system. In addition to their immune-boosting properties, oats are also a great source of energy and stamina. This is because they are a rich source of complex carbohydrates, which provide a slow and steady release of energy. This can help to keep you feeling energized and focused throughout the day, without the crashes that can come from consuming simple carbohydrates like sugar. Additionally, oats are rich in B vitamins, which play a key role in energy production. B vitamins help to convert food into energy that can be used by the body, which is why they are often included in energy-boosting supplements and drinks. When choosing between rolled oats and steel-cut oats, it is a matter of personal preference. Rolled oats are a convenient choice for a quick and easy breakfast, while steel-cut oats have a richer, more satisfying flavor. Regardless of the choice, both rolled oats and steel-cut oats are good sources of fiber, protein, and various vitamins and minerals, and they offer numerous health benefits. In conclusion, oats are a versatile and nutritious food that can provide a wide range of health benefits. They are high in fiber, protein, and various vitamins and minerals, making them a great addition to any diet. By incorporating oats into your daily routine, you can help to reduce the risk of heart disease, manage blood sugar levels, promote healthy digestion, and even support healthy skin. Plus, the slow release of energy provided by oats can help you stay focused and energized throughout the day. Oats are a highly nutritious and beneficial food that can help to improve health and well-being. By incorporating oats into your diet, you can enjoy a range of health benefits and support a healthy lifestyle. There are plenty of ways to enjoy the benefits of this superfood. Thanks for watching, and we hope you learned something new about the amazing benefits of oats. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative and education content, and see you in the next video.